Your home is likely your biggest financial asset, yet millions of Americans are currently paying for useless insurance policies. A single fine print exclusion can wipe out your life savings overnight during a catastrophic disaster. Today, we are breaking down the 10 best home insurance companies in the USA to reveal exactly who will actually protect your family and who will leave you bankrupt. Progressive built an empire on auto insurance, but their home policies frequently rely on third-party underwriters. A few years ago, a massive Midwest storm left homeowners stunned when they discovered the standard policy explicitly excludes water backup damage. This severe fine print trap forces families to drain their personal savings. The company maintains a strong A+AM best rating and settles around 95% of valid claims rapidly via an intuitive mobile portal. The average premium sits at $1,200, but a standard $1,000 deductible means you cover minor repairs out of pocket. Purchasing their specialized water backup rider is vital. Progressive is best for budget-conscious buyers needing big discounts. We often see wealthy homeowners assume standard policies will rebuild their custom estates after a fire. Traditional insurers cap payouts, leaving families stranded when building costs surge. Chubb fixes this by offering guaranteed replacement cost coverage. However, the hidden trap involves strict maintenance clauses, as ignoring minor roof wear can explicitly void your protection. Holding an elite A++AM best rating, Chubb approves 98% of claims effortlessly through a premium digital portal. Customers typically pay a hefty $3,500 average premium alongside a $2,500 deductible. Their cash settlement rider adds unmatched flexibility. This carrier is exclusively designed for affluent individuals owning high-value luxury properties. Returning from a relaxing vacation to find your kitchen flooded is a nightmare, especially when your insurance severely depreciates the value of ruined appliances. Nationwide solves this with strong core coverage featuring a better roof replacement plan. Yet, the dangerous hidden trap involves strict dog breed exclusions that instantly nullify liability protection. Earning an A+AM best financial rating, they maintain a reliable 92% claim settlement ratio processed entirely via their mobile app. You will face a modest $1,400 annual premium coupled with a $1,500 out-of-pocket deductible. Their ordinance or law rider provides crucial extra funds. This provider strongly favors careful homeowners prioritizing building upgrades. A devastating residential fire in the 1990s highlighted how many families lack temporary living expenses while their house undergoes repairs. American Family emphasizes extensive loss of use coverage to fund long hotel stays. However, their critical hidden trap applies actual cash value payouts on personal property, meaning you get pennies for older destroyed furniture. They possess a solid AAM best rating and honor a 94% claim payout rate through an efficient online portal. The standard premium averages $1,550, slightly offset by a strict $1,000 deductible requirement. Their unique diminishing deductible rider actively rewards safe histories. This option ideally serves middle-income households needing relocation security. Many property owners learn the hard way that a standard policy ignores expensive jewelry stolen during a break-in. Travelers counters this by supplying vast scheduled personal property limits to safeguard valuables. Unfortunately, their hidden trap involves aggressive roof depreciation schedules, severely limiting your payout if your shingles exceed 15 years of age. Standing tall with an A++AM best rating, they deliver a 96% claim settlement ratio handled swiftly via their digital interface. Homeowners generally face a $1,350 annual premium and a substantial $2,000 deductible. Their green home rebuilding rider is truly unique. This insurer actively benefits eco-conscious homeowners who own expensive luxury collectibles. During the destructive hurricane seasons of the past decade, countless people lost their homes to massive windstorms. Liberty Mutual built a strong reputation by offering comprehensive wind damage coverage to rebuild exterior structures. The devastating hidden trap is their high-risk coastal exclusion, forcing you to buy separate windstorm policies if you live near the ocean. Backed by an AM Best rating, they successfully resolve 93% of claims via an interactive mobile portal. You will shell out an average $1,450 premium alongside a standard $1,500 deductible. Their inflation protection rider automatically adjusts coverage limits. This carrier best serves inland families seeking rapid automated services. Imagine hiring a contractor to fix your plumbing, only to discover the repairs triggered a hidden building code violation. Farmers directly tackles this problem through robust core dwelling coverage that funds necessary structural modifications. The harsh hidden trap, however, lies in their strict mold damage limitations, frequently capping payouts at tiny amounts without expensive endorsements. They proudly hold an A rating from AM Best while clearing 91% of claims through their responsive digital app. Customers typically pay around a $1,380 annual premium, carrying a $1,000 deductible obligation. Their declining deductible rider brings immense long-term value. This specific policy caters heavily to owners of older homes. Military families face unique struggles when deployed overseas, leaving their empty properties vulnerable to sudden vandalism. USAA understands this reality, providing stellar dwelling protection that explicitly covers personal uniforms and combat gear. The only hidden trap involves extreme eligibility barriers, instantly rejecting any civilian lacking immediate military family ties. Maintaining an untouchable A++ AM Best rating, they achieve an industry-leading 99% claim satisfaction rate via a fast digital platform. You secure a low $1,100 average premium alongside a flexible $500 deductible. Their military deployment rider waives vacancy clauses entirely. This insurer remains the undisputed premier choice for active duty soldiers and retired veterans nationwide. A few winters ago, a severe freeze cracked thousands of residential pipes, exposing how slowly many carriers process emergency funds. Allstate answers this crisis with robust structural protection that rapidly covers sudden accidental water discharges. However, a major hidden trap lies in their scheduled property limits, often leaving high-end electronics severely underinsured. Backed by a secure A+ AM Best rating, they settle 94% of claims efficiently using their intuitive mobile tracking app. Buyers face an estimated $1,600 premium plus a standard $1,500 deductible. Their specific yard and garden rider easily protects expensive landscaping. This coverage strongly supports tech-focused suburban families demanding immediate claim updates. When the historic 2008 financial crash hit, massive corporate instability left homeowners wondering if carriers could afford large payouts. State Farm survived easily, anchoring their core policy in comprehensive fire and liability defense. Their single hidden trap is a strict reliance on captive local agents, meaning you cannot bypass a slow representative to expedite corporate approvals. Brandishing a superior A++ AM Best rating, they reliably clear 97% of claims through their app and office network. Annual premiums average a reasonable $1,400 alongside a manageable $1,000 deductible cost. Their specialized ordnance law rider offers huge reconstruction value. This giant ideally serves traditional buyers wanting personal guidance.